Be what? Interactive throughout the journey and laugh a lot, right? Because it will make us, or it will help us to understand many things possible. Shall we go for the round 2? Yes. Now it is good, right? Here. Yes. Okay. Okay, show me your hand. Thank you. Whether you are the person I'm going to choose or not. Throughout the year, you are going to learn a systematic execution of robotics classes, okay? So you don't have to worry. So today we are going to start with our first project, that is your basic of robotics, and also we will understand how the wireless electricity project works. So later on I gave you the example to understand, right? So in Omega Bot and each and every development we will do throughout the journey will be utilized for our project only, right? We want to accommodate the wireless charging functionality to individual robots, right? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Good. So let's start our journey then. So remember last time I gave you the understanding of this word. Yeah? How many of you remember the full form of it? Yes, one of you please. From this side. Yes. Louder.
Science, technology, engineering and mathematics.
Perfect. So we are talking about 4 of the domains. That is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So how many of you are aware of why these 4 domains are important for all of us? Any one of you? Yes, go for it please.
Science, mathematics, and technology, it all makes our life easier and helps us in our day-to-day life. Engineering is one of the main components which helps in all it. Like it supports all 3 of the
Yes.
other stuff,
Correct.
all other platforms. It makes our life easier. All 4 of them.
Very good. Clap for him please. And explains well about the nature and different natural phenomena occurring in nature, right? And also the chair you are sitting in, I believe it is made up of which material? Wood. And everything around us. If I have to explain this all, then what I will do? Which dimensions are required to explain this all? And how we can calculate area? The physical dimensions to represent this room, 3 of the parameters. Only length, width and height can be used to explain this hall, right? Yes or no? Volumes, yes. Length, width, height. Box length, width and height. Then if I call a person to I will give that my room should be in 10 meter of length, then 5 meter of width and then 5 meter of height. Then he will exactly come up with pillars and every arrangement to make that room for me, right? So if I have to explain any person over phone call about this hall we are sitting in, then which parameters are required? 3 of the parameters, right? We don't have to mention it in or something else. But air is readily present, then we can calculate the volume for the air, like how much air we can accommodate inside this one. But we don't have to do that, okay? Why we need to understand this same concept? Because it gives us the practical exposure of different things, like the conventional things for learning project. Will it be fine for you all? Yes. Perfect. of your choice to like make a coil out of it. So I'm taking a thin wire from the copper kit box. Okay, so I'm using this one and just holding this copper wire in here to like fold it for how many numbers of turn will be required? Okay, it is not mentioned in here. Okay, so we need 30 turns. So write down in your copy, please. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and okay. So I will use wire cutter to cut out the leftover portion, okay? But I don't have to release it for now, okay? Because if I release it, then every single coil will come unfolded. So I will try to hold this with my one hand and use the other hand to like fold the wires like this. Can you able to see it? Yes, sir. Okay, so that it won't leave its place. You can see it how I made the coil. I will do the same for the second coil as well, second side of this coil as well. Okay? So now you can see how many wires are there in this one. So you can see how many wires are there. 2 wires, right? Coming from the end of this coil. And total how many number of
30.
turns we took?
30.
So write down in your copy, please. Okay? So now, so now let's make the transmitter circuit once. So we are going to make the transmitter coil. The receiver coil has been done. So let's make the transmitter coil. Just remember the turns I am taking and then follow the process the time you will come forward to do this experiment, okay? So I'm again this side, please, Devdutt, this side. Okay, I'm using this coil. Again, the same shape of this Insta360 holder, okay? But you can utilize bottle and any same of your choice. So I will start with the first coiling and I will start counting the turn. I will go for 30 turns, but there is one twist and you have to notice that thing, okay? So I'm starting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I said one twist is there, right? So on the count of 15, we have to stop. Then I will take out this wire. Okay? I will take out this wire. Then again start counting from 16. Okay? So 16.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Perfect. So again, the 30 turns, but we took one gap in between. So if I wind up everything in this one, as I mentioned, can you see it, guys? Then, okay, in wireless, the transmitter part, you will notice one thing, that in this one we do have 3 wires. One is this one, then second is this one, and third one is the combined of 2 of the wires. Can you see it? Okay? Perfect. So now let's complete the experimentation with the batches. Everything aside. Okay, so first the coin cell battery. You can see the positive and this side is negative, obviously, right? Because this side is positive. Okay, so I will place this battery inside this casing like this.
Negative side.
Negative side will be inside. Okay, done. The battery is connected and you can see 2 terminals we do have in here, right? So I will take this breadboard and you see we do have the numbers. So whenever I will, and then what I will do, I will leave this one in here and I will use this coil first. So using the paper knife, I will remove the insulation. As I mentioned that it does have the insulation on top of it. And you can see the shiny metal. Can you see it? Okay. So using the pacer knife, but be careful while doing the operations, okay? Doing the experiment. So again, I'm removing the second from the other side. I'm cutting down the extra part. So you can see the difference, right? Everyone visible, right? So this one done, remove the insulation. So that is why, okay. The reason why we do have the insulation, because if you don't have the insulation, then every wire will touch each other, right? And the magnetic field won't be that much of power. So to create more effective magnetic field, we need to have the coil, is like the coil arrangement. Coil arrangement is required, okay? So now this one done, I will take the cutter. Allow me to like help you understand this. Okay, so I'm cutting the wire in this much of size, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so if I remove this one was the receiver or
Receiver.
Very good.
One by one. I'll just wait a Sunday. After you are
okay, be careful. Press it a little, press it, yeah. Pull it out, perfect. Do it for the insulation from two of the sides. Then what I will do, I will take the LED. Boys, I will take the LED and spread the leg. Okay? And I will wind it up in this side. Can you see it? Done? And I will do the same for the other side. Okay? So can you see it in your copy? Like how we connected the LED? The same thing, right? You can see it on the receiver side. This is how we connected it. Right? In the receiver side. We connected it like that only. Yes? Okay. So now I'm placing the receiver here, and again I'm removing the insulation from the transmitter. Okay? Can you see the shiny metal?
Yes.
Done? Two of the side. Be careful. Leave it to me. Any problem? Okay? Yeah, this one is good. This one is also good. This one is also good. Yes, perfect. Okay? So now what I will do, because this can't be inserted in the hole of this breadboard, so I will try to wind this wire into this coil. Okay? Done? One wire done, and then I will do the same for second wire. Done for second wire, and I fold it up so that it won't come off. I will do the same for this side as well, and then I will use the third wire. I will do the same to the third wire. Okay? Okay? Done? Now 3 wires we do have. And what else required? Remember I showed you this part? So I'm keeping it here only. Okay? So you can see 3 legs of this transistor. So I will take this breadboard and insert it like this. Okay? So these wires are parallelly connected like this. Okay? These wires are inside parallelly connected like this. Okay? So what I will do, I will take one more resistor, this one. Okay? And I will use this resistor like this and this to the other side. Okay, done. And I do have 3 of the wires, right? So this double one will go to the positive side on pin number 20 because we inserted the wire on pin number 20, right? Then I will use the second wire to connect it in here and third wire to connect it in here. You can see it, done. So what else is required? The negative wire connection. So I will insert it on pin number 20, then I will insert it on the first pin like this. Done. So if I bring this one close to,
Whoa.
you can test it on from your own.
YouTube shorts.
You understood the circuit diagram? Let me show it to you. Okay? So you have not drawn it. Good. Good read. Okay. Wait. So now you can see, here it is. See. So here in the middle wire we connected this resistor, right? You can see it. Boy.
Boys, attention please. Maintain the silence. So today we are going to do one great project, that is IoT enabled car. IoT stands for Internet of Things, and you can also call it as Wi-Fi controlled car. Okay? So we can control this car using the Wi-Fi connection, or if we allow our car to get connected with the router or existing Wi-Fi network, then we can control it from around the world without any problem using our mobile application. Okay? And you know why we are into the IoT development and why this thing is required? Any one of you? Because nowadays many of the things like the electronic gadget, even though the smartphones and the smartwatch you do wear in your hand does have the internet connectivity. So allowing a device to get connected with the internet, that means we are talking about which device? IoT devices. Okay? Understood? Great. So let's do it today. Okay. Can you see one of the image on the back side in the projector screen? Everyone, can you see it? So can you? Okay. Remember, I mentioned 3 of the key components to build any of the robotics devices or robot itself, right? So first, perfect input devices. We call it as sensors in robotics, right? And second, we do have processing unit, that is brain of our robotic system. Okay? And third, our EMCU. And I believe you received the kit, right? So you can see it from your end as well, how it looks like. So here in the back side, you can see the circuit diagram of individual pins, which you can also see if you look closer to the microcontroller you do have. So we will simply call it as and second, microcontroller. Okay? So microcontroller, write down in your copy, microcontroller allows us to store the program inside of it. Maybe you already heard. Remember? Anyone studied it in their computer classes? Seniors? Do you have idea?
There it is, in front of the chair. On the dais, in front of the chair.
Every group will be called one by one. I believe you already decided the name of your group.
Yes, sir.
Already decided, right?
Yes, sir.
So may you please help me with the name once, one by one. Team leader, help me with the name.
Team leader,
Start,
raise your
please.
hand.
Sorry.
Conifect.
Okay. The second team leader,
Dada.
Dada, and third team leader,
Say no.
Hussein Panda.
Mehta, your name is written.
Running. Dada. And third,
Chennai Express.
Chennai Express, and fourth,
Mehta.
sorry,
Frank.
Frank. Fifth,
Famous rider.
Ghost Rider.
Fighter.
Sorry,
Jellyfish.
Genesis. And next,
Sir Mehta. Mehta.
who gave the name Mehta? Ulta chashma wala Mehta. Please focus. I'm going to give the demonstration how you should start and like complete this arena. Let me give you the guidelines and the term and condition for this competition, okay? So first, you have to start like operating your car and have to follow the path accordingly, okay? If you like come out, if your 3 wheels will come out from those lines, then you will be disqualified. If 2 wheels will come out means you are okay, you don't have to worry. 1 means you are okay, you don't have to worry. But 3 means you are out from the competition, okay? The condition is, the first condition I already explained. The second condition, you have to complete the arena in minimum possible time. Suppose if you completed this arena from start to finish in 5 minutes and some other team completed it in 3 minutes or 2 minutes, then they will announced as a winner. Okay? Understood? Any doubts? So you have to follow the arena and you have to complete it in minimum possible time. So decide accordingly who is going to drive the IoT enabled car from start position to the end position. Okay? Yes? Yeah, you can decide in your team. That is up to you guys to decide. Everyone understood? Am I clear? So great. So let me guide you with the demonstration process. Okay? Throughout the travel. So do not cross the line, okay?
No, ulta.
can bring some of the bricks and sticks after the lunch, then we can make one more good arena through which you have to go through the obstacles. Three-wheel rule, remember? Not two wheels. So this is how, thank you. So this is how you are going to control, and you can see the mobile application. Is it visible to everyone? Yes, sir. Can you see it? Yes, sir. Okay, so you can see by the arrows, you can differentiate between up and down or forward and backward and left and right. Okay? So you have to use it. So first we will give you this mobile to at least get comfortable with the application and then execute the operations. Okay? Everyone good? Understood? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you everyone. Slow and easy. Slow and easy. Cheer him up, guys! At least his team. Cheer him up. On the leg.
One wheel outside, two wheel outside.
Good, no problem. Go on.
Come on!
Don't block him. Come on, chair.
Easy, Malik.
Hey, shut up.
2-2-0.
Come on.
I see he's a good driver.
Cheer him up.
Oh, Malik.
Who is his team members? Raise their hand. Why you are not cheering him up?
Cheering.
Raise your hand.
Sir, you have to enter the finish box now.
Okay, clap him.
Team member of this guy. Where are they? Cheer him up. Come in front now. Okay? Are you ready? On this count.
3, 2, 1, go.
Say go! Come on, say! Come on, say!
Keep going, keep going.
1-6. Come on, driver. Finish.
3, 2, 1, go. Wait. Come on. Wait. Sir.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. One bottom.
Hey, why are 3 monitors there?
Cheer him up, guys! Come on! Announce it whenever it is going out. Okay, you continue.
Chennai Express is expressing now. Outside, outside. One outside.
Inside the box, huh? Wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on. Don't hurry. What?
Volunteer!
Team members, cheer him up! Good. Go on.
Everyone enjoyed the competition today, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So excited to hear out the results.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will start with the last one, the runner-up for this competition. As I mentioned, that we will announce the first, second, and third, right? But let's assume that we do have the fourth one as well, the runner-up of this competition, and the fourth position goes to Team Phonics. Big round of applause for the Team Phonics. 59 seconds and 79 milliseconds. Okay? Great. Well done, team. So, one more team completed nearby to the Phonics, and he completed the arena in 56 seconds, 66 milliseconds. And the name of the team is Frank. Third prize goes to Team Frank. Great. Big round of applause for the Team Frank, please.
Team and butter.
Great. So now we do have our second prize winner, and the time taken to complete the arena is about 49 seconds, 93 milliseconds. How cool is that? So the name of that team is Hacker 2024. Who is the Hacker team? Great. Big cheers to you guys. Congratulations. But last but not the least, right? So we do have our first place winner who completed the arena in 48 seconds and 2 milliseconds. The name of the team is Polite Eating. Congratulations! Big round of applause for the Polite. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the overall workshop and the session, right? We'll learn something more today? Have a good day, everyone. Thank you so much. I'm proud to say that we are going to share some of the project we made today to our dear sir, who is one of the robotics teacher in this institute. So, Mr. Tirtha, may you please hand over the skit set, or we can simply say the IoT-enabled car in a complete assembly, please. A big round of applause for sir. Thank you. And one more, Tirtha. So we are handling the second one as well for the institute. So, thank you so much, sir, for your contribution and the dedication throughout this time. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.